Good day, I'm going to present to you the different levels of management and skill. Levels of management is the division of authority and responsibility within a company. This will establish the chain of command and determine the reporting structure of different managerial positions. This is also known as managerial hierarchy based on their roles, responsibilities, and authority. The first one is the top level management, which is responsible for setting the overall decisions of the company, ensuring financial stability, developing long-term goals, and managing resources. They are also known as the executives. Second is the mid-level management, which acts as a crucial link between top-level management and lower-level management. They also plays a significant role in performance evaluation and in motivating lower-level managers. Next topic is the management skills, which is the abilities and attributes that enable the person to effectively organize, lead, and coordinate people and resources. Management is doing things right, while leadership is doing the right things. The first one is human skills, which is the ability to understand and motivate people, communicate effectively, and work cooperatively within the team. This is the heart of the management. Second is the communication skills, which is the bridge to understanding. Pro tip, you should practice active listening. Third is the technical skills, which is the foundation. It is the hands-on expertise and knowledge required to perform a task. This is simply understanding the tools and processes within the company. Fourth is the conceptual skills, which is seeing the big picture, analyzing the complex situations, and making decisions that align with the long-term goals. Fifth is the leadership skills. This is the traits or interpersonal skills an individual has that contribute to their ability to encourage and organize others to reach a shared goal. This is inspiring also your team. The sixth one is the problem-solving skills, which is the ability to tackle and solve the frequent problems that can arise in a typical workday. Seven, time management skills, which is effectively prioritizing and managing time to achieve goals. Pro tip, you should have a tool like a to-do list or time blocking to stay organized. 8 is directing and oversight skills, which is guiding and monitoring team activities to ensure alignment with objectives. 9 is the adaptability, which is the ability to adjust effectively to a new conditions, challenges, or changes in the environment. It is like thriving in a change. Last one is the decision-making skills, which involves identifying an issue, weighing options, and taking actions. This is the ability to make decisions, can save time, boost productivity, and build trust. The ability to choose wisely.